Today as well we have got you another video, and this video I'll show you how you can collaborate in Instagram Reels after posting. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, the very first thing you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, access your particular Instagram app on your phone, and upon doing that, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right? So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. Now simply go ahead, switch to your reel section, and now go ahead, tap on the reel of yours. And once you have done so, this is how it's gonna appear, right? So over here, if you would like to simply add a collaborator, you have to tap on this three dot icon. Now you're gonna tap on this option of manage and tap on this option of edit. So you can see we have option of tag people, add location, content, funding, and if you tap on advanced setting, we have accessibility. But if we go back, we cannot seem to find an add collaborator option. The thing is, even for your post and reels, you cannot do so after posting. You have to make sure that you add a collaborator before posting. So what now you can do is you can go back and delete this reel and again create a new one and add your collaborator. So that is the process to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.